Hi everybody, it's Gigi, that's Tootie, and welcome to Gigi's Toys and Collectibles. Today we're opening up more Nerf collectibles. These are the blaster clip charms. There's one blaster in each bag. These are the ones we can get. 4. Collect 4. It's Nerf or nothing. Are you guys ready? We got 5 to open today. Let's jump right in. See which one we get first. Okay, I'm not peeking. Okay, let's see the first one we get. Okay. Oh, all right. So this is like a rubbery feeling, like an eraser almost. This is the Megalodon. I think that's what that is. It says Nerf. 20 maybe? Is that 20 or 2D? I think it's 20. It's got a orange bag clip here. This is the back. It's just like a, shiny back, and a cool like matte finish front part of the clip. That's really fun. It's a good size too. All right, really cool. Okay, these are going to be cool. We got that one. Hopefully we get the blue one. Come on, come on. Nope, a duplicate of Megalodon. Come on, somebody new. Oh no! Uh-oh. Well, I got 2 more left. Oh good. Oh goodness. Please, somebody new. Somebody new. You know what? Megalodon. 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 Well, this is gonna be a short video, guys. Sorry about that. No codes on these. I think I did look for codes. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh! Oh yes! I surprised myself there. I saw the orange clip. I was like, No, we got a new one. Yes! So this is the Ultra one. Ooh, this one's really fun. It's white and gray. It says 1 on there. The little Nerf things there on the side. Just got a black back. That one's cool. All right, that was cool. All right, you guys, well, I don't think we're gonna pick favorites because there's not much to choose from, but you can pick and let Tootie and I know in the comments down below. Please subscribe before you go if you haven't already. It helps me create more fun content for you. I put out new videos every Monday and Thursday, and we'll see you next time. Bye, everybody.